This 2-digit times 2-digit multiplication Scoot can be used in two different formats. In a digital format, you can simply post the Scoot presentation for students to see via your learning management system, so Google Classroom, Canvas, Moodle, etc. Students can access the Scoot on their personal devices and work independently or in pairs around the room. Another option is to do this Scoot in a traditional Scoot format and have students rotate around the room to answer the various questions. You would simply need to print out the Scoot presentation and post the questions on paper around the room for students to rotate between. Here are some sample problems. Half of the problems are written vertically and half are written horizontally throughout the sort. This is so students can become comfortable seeing multiplication problems in both formats. This Scoot is already scaffolded for your students. Problems number 1 through 8 do not involve carrying, and problems after number 8 involve carrying, so the questions gradually increase in intensity. Students check their work every 4 problems to make sure that they are on the right track. This feature is very helpful because it helps catch misconceptions right away. Along with this Scoot, there is a corresponding worksheet and answer key. Once students are done checking their work, they are able to do a mini movement break. In this example, it is 20 jumping jacks, but there are other movements in the Scoot too. All of the mini movement breaks have pictures that show exactly what to do. At the end of the Scoot, there are reflection questions for students to answer about their focus, understanding, and behavior. These final questions aid in the metacognition portion of learning, not to mention behavior management. My students with ADHD have told me that they love doing my Scoots because the mini movement breaks give them the opportunity to move. My students with special needs have enjoyed checking their work right away to make sure that they are on the right track. I've seen my students right at or slightly below grade level excel with my Scoots because they are intentionally scaffolded. They gain confidence with easier problems at the beginning, and then they move at their own pace towards more challenging problems later in the Scoot. I've seen less kids get frustrated and actually more students get motivated by my Scoots. I'm posting this Scoot in my store because I feel like it could be a great resource for other teachers as well. Please let me know if you have any questions.